Welcome back to our live. Tayo na na sa ating second half, 27-20.
May pang reels tayo.
Ma'am, nagkakato ko. Sige, sige. Pag half time. Sige po.
Pero sa manting,
Pero
bumuha na siya.
Hindi naman nahasil.
Hindi, baka gusto mo na
Gaya nga dito, si Matt eh.
parang si Matt, di ba? Si Matt Pintoy, laging ganun eh, kumpleto eh.
Beto ibang scoop din.
Pero
Sige po. Thank you. Okay, third quarter. Ma'am, okay. Dito lamang po ang kalamangan ng home team.
kaya siya Robin. Ayos.
Ma'am, ito, sinisave ko kayo kung kasi para mas mabuti.
Kaso, hindi ko alam kung ready ako sa Vegas, din ko lahat.
Pero ito, para masin na sa YouTube.
Ready!
Kasi natin yan.
Pagbalik ng bola.
Kasi
Baka mapasahan ka dyan.
third quarter. Number 7. Pass to Galang. Galang, step back 3. Short. Iba ng mga naka-blue shirt. Catch and shoot, no good. Out of bounds. Wala dito, yun ang Xavier. Pass to Depano from elbow, 3, no good. Rebound ng mga naka-blue shirt, 2 against 1, Galang. All the way, no good. Rebound again by Galang, no good. Offensive rebound by Rivera, pass number 14, short. And another foul. Number 7. That is time. Oh, sorry, offensive foul. Ano ba? Foul, tan. Uy! Munti ka na magawan. Rivera. Pass Galang. Galang with spin. Tumira, too strong. Rebound by Go. Pass to Depano. Oh! That's a traveling violation. Galang reading inbound, pass to Rivera. High pick up, Tumira, wala. Block there from behind. Out of bounds. Yellow ball, Xavier School basketball. Cheng. Pass to you, back to Cheng. Cheng nabitawan. Pass to you, floater, no good. Out of bounds. Xavier School. Pass to you. You spin. Bounce back to go. Basket. My goal. 29-20. Balik sa siyamang lamang ng Xavier. Rivera. Another steal by Xavier. Ayan na, nagagawan. Makukuha ni number 10, Castillo. And there's a foul. Shooting at the line, jersey number 10, Castillo. First shot, no good. Second shot. Castillo, no good. Holy. Sabres School basketball. Cheng, pass to Jerwin. Oh, what a strong move by Jerwin. Number 7, Rivera. Pass to Galang. Galang setting on the play. Crossover. Galang, back pedal, binigay sa corner. Catch and shoot, no good. Rebound, makukuha ni Yu, binababa ang bola. Yu. Oh, step back two. No good. Rebound by Kao. Tumira, basket. Right, jersey number 13. Number 11, Galang. Galang with the fake. Tumira, no good. Rebound by number 10. Go. Pass to Cheng. Cheng, fake. Uy, what a fake. Yun lang. Too strong. Kao with the shot. Another offensive rebound. And there's a foul, number 13. Time out.
Okay lang po lang. Ano ba ang pwesto mag- Yun lang ang problema.
Appendix mo. Sige, time out.
Dito rin natapo. Galang, spin. Oh, too strong. Rebound. Offensive rebound by Castillo to Galang. No good. Rebound by Ko. Pass to you. You to Depano. Depano, pass to Gagi. Gagi, no good. Offensive rebound by Kao. Basket. It's good. Iba na ang matangkad. By jersey number 13. Let's go. Rivera. And another foul. Matatawagan si Go. Galang, bounce pass to Castillo. Castillo with a post. Binigay kay Galang. Galang, tumiran. And that's a traveling violation. Three minutes and 16 seconds. Sorry, that's number 13. To you. Back to Depano. Depano to you. Back to Depano. Top of the key, no good. Rebound by Gagi. Jump shot. Basket by Gagi. 37-20. Oh, bola. Galang. Setting on the play. Galang. Cross. Tumira, no good. Rebound by Kao. Pass to Depano. Ayan na, Depano. No good. Oopsie. Nadaganan. 41. Pass to Galang. Hand off to Rivera. Rivera. Spin. Oy! No good. Rebound by Kao. There's a foul. Number 11. Galang. Time out. Don Bosco. Ayan natin ang huddle ng ating savior sa larong ito. Okay, back to the ball game. Sabres goal basketball, 1 minute and 29 seconds. Depano, pass to Gagi. Pass to you, back to Depano. To Gagi, catch and shoot from the corner, no good. Rebound by Galang. Galang, nagmamadali. Galang, waiting for his teammate. Di diskarte. Galang, from the corner 3, no good. Rebound by Castillo. And out of bounds. Depano. Pass to Gagi. To Ko. To Gagi. Oh, basket by Gagi. Number 11. Last 35 seconds ng ating third quarter. Galang. Galang. Stop and pump, no good. Rebound by Ko. Mapupunta kay Depano, setting on the play. Depano. Ayan na. Pass to Gagi, catch and shoot. Whoa! Swak na swak. Another points by Gagi. 41-20 ang ating pagtatapos ng ating third quarter. Up, Mount. Okay. End of the third quarter, official score is 41-20 in favor of our Sabres school. Back to the ball game. 41-20. 21-point lead para sa ating Xavier. This is the biggest point of the game. Gagi. Wave that bounce. Back to Gagi. Lagay sa corner. You. To Cheng. Good. Ay, sorry. Lagay sa corner. Gagi from the corner. Basket. Dito sa tawag. Ayan na. Rivera back to number 0. Catch and shoot. No good. Rebound by you. To you. Pass to Gagi, all the way, too strong. Rebound. Out of bounds. Last touch. Bola ng Don Bosco. Rivera. Back to number 0. Back to Rivera. Still. Ayan na. Uy, no good. Out of bounds. Basket by number 34. Ayan na, lumalaki na po ang kalamangan ng ating savior. Rivera, pass number 16. Spin. Block from behind by Go. Another offensive rebound. And there's a foul, number 9. Don Bosco basketball. Number 0, jam shot, no good. Rebound by Cheng. Cheng. Nagmamadali. Cheng, bounce pass to Go. Yun lang, last touch. Don Bosco basketball. Number 16. Pass to number 17. Number 17. Pumunta sa kaliwa. Binigay kay number 20. Number 20, floater, no good. Rebound, para kay Yu. Pass to Yu. Yu. Pass to Yu sa loob. To Go. Go. Sumalaksak. And 1. A jersey number 9. Let's go. Bonus shot by jersey number 9 for 3-point play. Basket. 48-20. Number 17. Number 17. Tumira. Basket by Rivera. Ayun na, Yu. Back to you. Oopsie, that's it, traveling. Substitution, number 7 coming in, and number 30. Okay, Don Bosco basketball. Number 7. Rivera, and there's a foul. Lang po, sige po. Sige po, wala pa naman po. Sige po. Sige po, mag-free throw naman po. Mag-free throw pa naman. Mag-free throw naman po, sige po. Head lang po. Ayan. Rivera on the free throw area. First shot is good. Second shot. Rivera. No good. Defensive rebound para sa mga naka-blue shirt. What happened? Time remaining 5 minutes and 16 seconds. Rivera, spin, block by Yu. Pass to Tan. To Depano. Depano, handoff to Cheng. Pass to Jerwin. Catch and shoot. No good. Out of bounds. Blue ball. Number 7, Rivera. Rivera to the Hesi. Rivera. Pass to number 19. Number 11. There's a foul. Blocking foul. Four minutes and 5 seconds. Okay, sa corner, number 7. Loader, no good. Rebound, number 34. Pass to go. Go. Tutan. The guy sa corner. 4-3. No good. Rebound. Still. Bad pass para sa mga naka-blue shirt. Ayun na. Rivera. Loader. No good. Rebound by you. Pass to. Steal by Rivera. Rivera. Floater. No good. Rebound by Go. Pass to Depano. Outlet pass. 2 against 1. Jerwin all the way. Basket. By number 7. 50-23. Ayan na si Rivera. Pass to Rivera. Number 17. Spin. Tumira. Wala. Another offensive rebound. Or defensive rebound by you. Bad pass. Makukuha ni Tan. Tan. Ooh. Back-to-back basket by Jerwin Tan. 52-23. Ayan na si Galang. Galang. Uy. Out of bounds. Time remaining 1 minute and 55 seconds. Yeah, shooting on the line, jersey number 11, Galang. Second shot para kay Galang. Pasok po ang kanyang field pro doon. There's a foul. Number 11. Cheng. Pass to Depano. Back to Cheng. Cheng, binigay. Go. Running shot. Yes, sir. Para kay Go. Jersey number 10. Ayun na. Uy. Foul. Number 7. Wala daw.
Ano yung link niya? Hindi ko mapanood, sa parking ako eh. Baka alam mo ka paano.
Sa Savior po.
Savior ka.
Opo.
Anong link yan?
2014. Kasi sa mga parents, natanong nila po sa parents. Opo. 2014 Savior. Ayun na, Sarah. 2014 Savior. Savior School. Ito lang po. sir sa inyo leak. Mamaya, ito po. Oh, no good. You! Basket para kay you. Yan sir ah. Patapos na rin na tayo. 51 seconds left. Fourth na po. Last 46 po tayo ah. Malipot tong ano ko. Hindi ko ba na-adjust. Ayan na. Go. Pass to Cheng. To Jerwin. Bounce pass. Oh, no good. Another offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Go. No good. Rebound na this time ng Don Bosco. Galang. Block by Depano. Depano. Pass to Tan. Oh, sorry. That's Go. Go. Running shot. No good. Offensive rebound. Ayan na, last 10 seconds. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. There's a foul. Last 2 seconds. Opo. 2.5 seconds remaining at the fourth. On the free throw area, number 1, Santos.
Ano sir? Ito saan sir? Indian Paolo mo. Saan ko na po sir?
Ay, parang ikaw pa ba?
Ayan po.
Nasaan pa na pag mag-live yan? Nakapaano
Ano hindi po? Hindi na. I-post ko na lang po. Or chat na lang
sige.
mamaya para may pasasabi.
Okay, sige sir. Thank you.
Anong pangalan niyo po dito? Yung malaking po.
Hindi, ano? Tapos ko, si Gray. Gagi.
Ah, sige. Ah, okay. Umalis po ba sila? Umalis? Last 2.5 seconds. Ay, shoutout po kay Sir Ray Gagi. Go. And the rest of the parents of the Xavier School 2014. Ayan, and congratulations our Xavier School. At dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating laban in rice game para sa Don Bosco Mandaluyong. If I'm not mistaken. Ayan. Shoutout po sa lahat ng parents na kasama natin dito from both teams, especially sa Xavier School. Ayan, kala Mama Lane, you, and the rest of the team. Hey, congrats guys! This is the second win for this season. Congratulations! Hey! Congrats! Guys!
Pwede pa shoutout?
Shoutout kasama natin from Xavier and the rest of the team. Congratulations po. Hanggang sa muli. God bless everyone. Keep safe. Babalik po tayo para sa ating next live.